Hello Fintoch community, in this video I will explain what is FUSD and its benefits to hold FUSD. FUSD is a native stable coin of the Fintoch platform. It is issued against collateral, which means that you need to provide a certain amount of Bitcoin, FTC, or other assets in order to receive FUSD. The FUSD can be used to get a loan. The loan will be issued to you using the FUSD, as the market will recognize it as a good coin and stable coin having a lot of value. Part of the profit made from your collateral will be given back to you by the Fintoch company. This means that as you are holding the FUSD, the company is using your collateral to trade and invest. Part of the profit made from this trading will be given to you as an interest. In addition, part of the gas fee received from Fintoch chain transactions will also be paid to FUSD holders. This means that you will earn a percentage of the transaction fees generated by the Fintoch platform. FUSD holders are entitled to an annual revenue of between 20% and 300%. This means that you could earn a significant amount of money just by holding FUSD. Overall, the FUSD is a very versatile and profitable coin. It can be used to get a loan, earn interest, and earn a share of the transaction fees generated by the Fintoch platform. The FUSD is a secure and reliable coin. It is backed by collateral and is governed by a team of experienced professionals. The FUSD is a liquid coin. It can be easily exchanged for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. The FUSD is a transparent coin. All transactions are recorded on the Fintoch blockchain. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more video about Fintoch, AI and blockchain technology.